Raj, look, I'm sorry. I can't let you take my car for the test. I'm going to. You got plenty of time to either change a date, yeah, or look for an instructor. I've told you beforehand. Yeah. Okay, but you still don't want to change it.
Nah, I still don't want to.
Right. So I'm sorry. You just have to look for a different instructor.
Oh, okay then.
Okay. Bye. Get out.
See ya.
Bye. Hey guys, welcome to another video. So today's video, it's not a driving lesson or a mock test. We're going to have a quick chat about something that does happen quite often. To be honest, not with me anymore because I kind of know how to deal with it with experience over the years. But one of our new driving instructors, so we train driving instructors at DGN and they do call me for advice now and again. And this instructor, she sent me a message, which is one of the reasons why I'm doing this. I thought it'd be a good video, So she messaged, a student of hers is insisting that he wants to go ahead with the test even though she's told him that he's not ready. So she's told the student to change the test date and he's saying no, I'm not changing it. So how to deal with this situation? Firstly, like in my opinion, you know, when this happens, it's normally just the lack of communication. You know, if you're communicating, the instructor and the learner are communicating well from the start, and they've got clarity in how far they are from the test, how they're doing, how they're progressing, these situations don't arise. But if you don't, then this can happen, So what we're going to do, I've got Rajan here with me. We were supposed to do a driving lesson, but I've just picked him up. I told him we're not doing a driving lesson. One reason, it's going to get dark by the time we finish filming our lesson, because the lesson only lasts about an hour. And the other thing was, obviously I surprised him by telling him that he's going to be kind of just acting out, and well, he doesn't know what he's going to be acting out yet. So we're going to play the scenarios and we're going to go from a good situation between the learner and the instructor to a really bad situation. Okay. So the main thing is, guys, for those of you who are learning, or if those of you who are watching are instructors, like I just mentioned, good communication. Like if any of my learners, say we're 10 lessons in and I can see they're not progressing as quick as others do, I just be quite honest and open with them. I normally just ask them how they think they're getting on, how far do they think they are from the test, what it takes to be ready for a driving test. So those kind of conversations always help. Right, so in all the scenarios, our test is say booked and it's 2 weeks away. You got that? So in the first scenario, we're 2 weeks away and we're just going to have a quick chat. Everything's gone exactly how we planned. It's going to be a really quick conversation. This is how the ideal scenario would be. Okay, Rod. So your driving test, it's in 2 weeks' time. How you feeling about it?
Confident.
We've covered all the topics. We've done a few mock tests, and the last mock test you passed. So everything that was, we did book your test about 6 weeks ago because we thought you'd be ready by that time. Still 2 weeks left and you're more than ready. Looking forward to it. Let's hope we can get that pass. Ideally, that's how we want the conversation to be. Okay, that would be a very, very good ideal situation. To be fully ready 2 weeks, but it doesn't always be like that. Okay, so now this situation, the next one, it's basically you've got your test, say in about around 2-3 weeks. So we booked it about 6 or 7 weeks ago, and I think you're not fully ready and you need more lessons. And you're gonna just basically agree with me again. Okay, right, ready? Okay, Rod, so you got your test coming up in about 2.5-3 weeks. And when we booked it, we said if we stick to our normal lessons, like you have say 1.5-2 hour lessons every week, we thought you'd be fully ready. You've definitely improved, but we've only got like 2.5-3 weeks left, and the last couple of mock tests we've done, there's been quite a few mistakes. I know you can do most of the topics. Sometimes you do it fine, sometimes you do mess up on it, like we saw in the mock test. So I think we need to up our lessons. So instead of doing one lesson for the next 3 weeks, you okay to double up on your lessons?
Yeah.
Good. Yeah, if you double up on your lessons, we should be fine.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. That's it. That's the end of that one.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's a different situation. Yeah. So, like I said, if you're both in agreement, yeah, and like if you had said no, then that would have put me in a situation.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is for the next scenario. When I say, can you up your lessons? Just say no, I can't because I haven't got the
Okay.
time or I can't afford it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
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 Okay. Right. Ready? Okay, Raj. So you got your test coming up. What in 3 weeks' time?
Yeah.
Yeah. And when we booked it, you were progressing well, but then now I think in 3 weeks' time, if you just continue with that one lesson a week, yeah, you're not going to be fully ready because the last couple of mock tests you made quite a few mistakes, haven't you? Would you agree on that?
Yeah.
Yeah. So what I was thinking, are you okay to double up on the lessons?
Nah.
No.
Nah.
How come?
Because I'm too busy.
Okay, but then you're not going to be fully ready for your test. But you don't want to up your lessons.
Nah.
Do you want to change your test date?
Yeah, we could do. No. Nah.
You don't want to change your test date either.
Nah.
See, it's not safe for us to take you on a test if we don't think you're fully ready. Yeah.
Yeah.
What we can do is we can either give it we've got 3 weeks to your test. We can give it another couple of weeks, yeah. Okay. And if you improve by then, okay. But then if you're still at the same level, then I won't be able to take you for the test. Okay.
Yeah.
You'll either have to change your test date to look for another instructor. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, so the other thing we can do, yeah, rather than you looking for another instructor and that, yeah, okay, or leaving it last minute, how about in today's lesson, if we do a mock test and you get, say, less than 2 serious faults in the mock test,
Yeah.
yeah, I'd be happy to still take you for the test. If you get more than 3 serious faults, more than 2 serious faults, or 3 or more,
Yeah.
then would you agree to change the date or up your lessons, one or the other?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, brilliant. Right, let's cut that out there. So, see, that's another way that as an instructor, yeah, I can get you to agree. So, it's like the the mock tests, yeah, they're so good for just assessing. It's not just me making up the faults. Yeah, you as learners will know that, yeah, I've made that fault. If you made like a couple of faults,
Yeah.
I know that within the couple of weeks, 2 or 3 weeks, we can sort that out. Yeah.
Yeah.
But then if you made like quite a few serious faults, then
Yeah.
you'll put your hands up as like you just agreed. Yeah, if I do more than 2 faults, yeah, then I'll change.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I've done that a few times where we've come to agreement with the learner, and it's a fair way to decide. Yeah. Okay. But what I might do is take my learner on a difficult test route so they mess up more if I feel
Yeah.
they're not ready. do you understand? Which is
Yeah.
kind of like some of you, oh, that's not right. Yeah, that's not fair on the learner. But what if you do get that test route
Yeah. True.
as well? Yeah. Oh, it's not just about the test, after you test as well.
Yeah.
Okay. You've got to be able to handle everything. It's not just get an easy test route and pass and then driving in situations which you've never been in before.
Yeah.
Okay. Final one, yeah. Now, say it's you got exactly 2 weeks left for your test, and I think you're nowhere near ready.
Yeah.
Yeah, and you're adamant that you want to go for your test. So we've tried everything now.
Yeah.
Yeah. So the situation, guys, that I just that we just played in the last scenario. Yeah.
Yeah.
That normally solves the issue for me. Yeah. But I think it's just the. I think it was the once where the one learner was just like, nah, I want to go. I don't care. I think you're. I think some learners think that we're just doing it because we want to do more lessons with you to make more money.
Yeah.
But that's not the case. Yeah, a lot of the instructors out there, we have plenty of work. Obviously, there might be some instructors out there that do it like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, but in my experience, like I said, it's normally down to the learner thinking that, yeah, the instructor's doing it for more money.
Yeah.
When they're not. It's like, because if we take somebody for a test, yeah, guys, and they're not driving at a decent standard, yeah, he all gets basically it's all on record, yeah. And if we as instructors take people to the test center for a test, yeah, that aren't of a good standard of driving, yeah, then that shows on us, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Yes, it doesn't look good on us at all. So we're not saying every driver has to be perfect, but when I take someone for a test, I know they're at a good standard. Yeah, and I'd feel safe with them in the car. If I don't, I just wouldn't take them.
Yeah.
But like I said, it's not just, and it's unfair for the instructor to let you know just a few days beforehand. If they think you're not ready, they should be like, you know how we're doing it a few weeks beforehand. Yeah, that's how it should be. That's how the instructor should communicate to you guys. Yeah, that let you know well beforehand, not last minute. If they let you know like just a few days before when you can't even change your test date, then the instructor's at fault.
Yeah.
Okay, right. Final scenario now. 2 weeks left. You're nowhere near. Yeah.
Yeah.
Even if you up your lessons to like three a week, you're not going to get ready. Yeah, because it just hasn't worked out. Yeah, you haven't even improved since you booked your test. Okay.
Yeah.
And but you're still like, no, I want to go for it. Just want to see how it goes.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. You're like, just give me as much trouble as you can. Yeah. Be angry. Do what you want. Say, no, I want to go. I want to go. Yeah. Okay. Try and like argue with me. Say what you want.
Okay.
Yeah. Obviously, don't swear. That's all. Right. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Right. So yeah, we got 2 weeks left for your test. When we booked it 6-7 weeks ago.
Yeah.
We thought you would have, like, you know how you've done previously, you've improved every lesson. Yeah. But there's been no improvement. Yeah. And as we saw on your last lesson, that mock test, it was really bad. I had to grab the steering a few times as well.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, in my opinion, you need to change that test date because you're not safe to go for your test. How do you feel about that?
Nah, I still want to go for it.
Why? When you're not ready?
Nah, because I just may as well.
May as well. You want to
Yeah.
give it a go still?
Yeah, I reckon I could still do it.
But I had to grab the steering a few times, and then what if that happens on your test as well? You know,
Nah, I reckon that was just a one-off occasion.
and how about if we do a mock test today and you get like another 3 or 4 or 5 serious faults? How about then? You still want to go for
Yeah,
your
I
test?
still want to go for it.
You still want to go for it even if we do a mock test and you mess it up?
Yeah, because I reckon on the day I'll still do it.
So what makes you think that on the day you're going to drive well when you can't do it on a lesson?
Because the lesson's different.
In what way?
Because on the actual test there's more, you take it more seriously.
Oh, so you're going to take your test more seriously, but you don't take your lesson seriously, yeah?
Yeah.
Raj, look, I'm sorry. I can't let you take my car for the test. I'm going to. You got plenty of time to either change a date, yeah, or look for an instructor. I've told you beforehand. Yeah. Okay, but you still don't want to change it.
Nah, I still don't want to.
Right. So I'm sorry. You just have to look for a different instructor.
No, okay then.
Okay. Bye. Get out.
See ya.
Bye. Okay, you don't have to get out. Come back in. That was quite good from you. That was really good.
I should be an actor in it.
Okay, guys. So, yeah, that's the situation in the end. If it is like that, like I said, you have to be, us instructors, we have to be upfront with the learners. Yeah, like I said, you know how you just played it at the end there.
Yeah.
It's very rare that happens.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is very rare. Like I said, if you've had good communication throughout, yeah, then this kind of situation shouldn't arise. Yeah, but guys, those of you who are taking lessons, yeah, just always try and be open with your instructor how you feel. Yeah, at the end of the day, look, us instructors, we obviously know what the test standard is. Yeah, but for you guys, yeah, all you guys need to think, like, if you're driving on your own, yeah, if you were to drive on your own to somewhere a bit further away, yeah, or in a city centre, how would you feel? Do you feel ready? If you say to yourself, no, I wouldn't feel ready, then you're not ready for your test. Okay, so yeah, just please, like, be aware of your own driving ability and your skills, yeah. Okay, and please judge it on that. And yeah, like I said, have that conversation with your instructor way beforehand, not like just a week before your test. Yeah, but like I said, all good instructors will be doing that beforehand anyway. It's like our instructor there. That Lena still got a few weeks for the test. Yeah, she told me, but they're still not willing to change it. So my advice to her was just tell him that you can't take him for the test, and if he wants to find another driving school, then there's nothing else we can do about that. Yeah. Okay, right, so Raj, thanks a lot. Good acting skills there. And guys, hopefully that video helped. Thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.
See ya.